stop before your next AI prompt. Imagine your coding assistant is quietly leaking your secrets. Sounds paranoid? Plot twist. Reuters says Alibaba plans to ban Claude Code in workplace environments from July 10th over alleged security risks involving embedded backdoors. So today, we're decoding what this actually means for you, how to reduce risk fast, and why you might want ChatGPT and Claude AI on separate leashes. Cold open, the ban heard round AI. Drop the headline in plain English. A major company hits pause on an AI coding tool. Name the tool, Claude Code. Name the company, Alibaba. Frame the real fear. Code plus secrets plus automation equals huge blast radius. Tease what this says about every AI agent you're about to deploy. Stat or example. Reuters reports the ban would start July 10th. But wait, why would a giant do this now? Quick Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. What Reuters actually said. No hype. Keep it clean. Source familiar plus workplace environments plus alleged backdoor risks. Explain alleged and source. Not confirmed publicly, but serious enough to act. Highlight the date. July 10th, fast timeline. Translate, internal security teams are not in the mood to gamble. Example, policy flips can happen overnight when security is involved. Now, here's the uncomfortable part. Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. Why AI coding tools freak out security teams. They see your repo, they see your stack traces, they see your API keys if you're sloppy. They can propose patches that look right but hide subtle risk. They can pull dependencies, generate scripts, and touch CI/CD. In security terms, one tool, many doors. Example, accidentally pasting secrets into prompts is a real-world failure mode. And the backdoor word changes everything. Quick Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. Backdoors, what people usually mean. Not always Hollywood. Could be hidden data exfiltration, unsafe telemetry, or dependency injection. Could be a helpful feature that crosses company policy. Could be a compromised supply chain upstream. Key point, security teams react to uncertainty. Stat or example, supply chain attacks are common enough that enterprises assume compromise. So what do you do today? Quick Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. Your 60-second enterprise-grade checklist. Rule number 1, never paste secrets, ever. Rule number 2, use a separate AI sandbox repo for experiments. Rule number 3, lock down network egress for dev boxes running AI tooling. Rule number 4, add secret scanning and pre-commit hooks. Rule number 5, audit what the tool sends out. Example, use environment variables and vaults, never hardcode tokens. Next, the plot twist for creators. Creators and solo devs, you're not immune. You might think, I'm too small. Wrong. If you ship templates, plugins, or automations, you're a supply chain. Your audience trusts your downloads. One leaked key equals account takeover equals chaos. Example, a leaked API key can drain paid usage overnight. Now let's talk tool strategy. Quick Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. Section 2. CATSV, Claude AI. Same power, different risk profile. This isn't which is smarter, it's what do you connect. ChatGPT at https://chat.openai.com is great for brainstorming and explaining code. Claude AI at https://claude.ai is great for long context reasoning and clean drafting. But whichever you use, plugins plus repo access is where risk explodes. Example, treat integrations like admin privileges. And here's the part nobody wants to hear. Quick Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. Section 3. The real lesson. AI agents need seatbelts. If your AI can run commands, it needs boundaries. Least privilege, read only first, write later. Human in the loop for merges. Log everything, rotate tokens. Example, force PR reviews, block direct pushes. Finally, what I'd do if I ran security. Quick Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. Section 4. Wrap. The simple rule going forward. Assume your prompts can leak. Design around it. Separate thinking tools from execution tools. Use ChatGPT and Claude AI for ideas. Keep code execution gated. If a giant like Alibaba hits pause, you should at least audit. Example, a weekly AI tooling audit can prevent months of damage. Because the next headline might be about you. Quick Claude AI check. If you're comparing assistants, Claude AI at https://claude.ai is a solid alternative to ChatGPT for long context reasoning. CTA. Quick question. If your AI assistant could read your entire repo today, would you be totally fine with that? Tell me yes or no in the comments, and what guardrail you'd add first. And if you want more fast, practical AI breakdowns, subscribe to Tech Decoded.
Final wrap. If this can happen inside Alibaba, it can happen anywhere. Use ChatGPT for ideas. Use Claude AI at https://claude.ai as a second brain. But keep your execution tools locked down. Least privilege, human reviews, logs. And tell me in the comments, would you let an AI read your whole repo today?